A powerful earthquake can split continents in half. The continental drift theory was proposed by Alfred Wegener in 1912. According to him, tectonic plates move due to varying reasons. An earthquake is one of its reasons. It is the shaking of the surface of the earth resulting from a sudden release of energy in the earth's lithosphere. A repeatedly powerful earthquakes then can split continents in half as years pass by. However, this theory was opposed by American earth scientists and labeled the theory unscientific. The American scientists in the late 19th century and early 20th century developed a theory called the geosyncline. It is described as a giant downward fold in Earth crust with associated upward folds that preceded the climax phase of orogenic deformation. The scientists agreed that if the continental drift theory was true then, it would make the geosyncline obsolete and untenable. The lack of mechanism for continental drift theory was the excuse for the scientific community to reject the theory of continental drift. It also conflicts the basic standards of practice in American geology. In the continental drift theory, Alfred Wegener's hypothesis was that the continents had once formed a single landmass called the Pangaea, before breaking apart and drifting to their present locations. Evidences like fossil remains and the jigsaw-like edges of the continents prove that these continents were a huge landmass before. Earthquakes are usually caused when rocks underground suddenly break along a fault. This sudden release of energy causes the seismic wave that make the ground shake. Therefore, repeated earthquakes with a high magnitude could possibly make the continent split apart through the years. If Alfred Wegener stated the Pangaea has drifted apart and formed the 7 existing continents in the present, it is not impossible that these continents will split into half and would continue to split apart through the years.